Congratulations! You just promoted a new lock and key officer. Now you can tick that off your to-do list and get on to the rest. But wait, although the new officer is ready and willing to accept, do you know if he is trained? Does he know how to cut keys, how to pin up locks? What is the key control policy? If not, his mistakes could cost a lot of money and even prove to be dangerous. Without the proper training, we could set him up for failure, leading to frustration and high turnover. But what can you do? Train them at Maximum Detention Academy. They offer a certified detention locksmith course that is fast, practical, and affordable. Students learn the basics of commercial and detention locksmithing so that they are equipped to take on the new position and become successful. Visit MaximumDetention.org and learn how to add a certified detention locksmith course as part of your institution's training program.